Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today we are going to learn how to transfer our mined Ethereum from the Binance pool. First, let's go to Binance Pool. And here we have to navigate to Wallet, Pool, to open our Pool Wallet. Here we can see Ethereum, so let's transfer it. Let's make sure we are paying out from pool. And here we can type in amount, or just choose 100% or whatever amount you prefer, and simply confirm. And that's all. If you found this video useful, please share it, like and subscribe. Have a nice day.